Hello everyone, it's really nice to meet you. My name is Chemi Shreiman. I'm the CEO and founder of Rise. We do implementations of CRMs and automations for our business clients. So I've been using ClickUp for more than 3 years already. I've been managing my clients there, my team, basically everything related to tasks and project management I've been doing with ClickUp. And I also for a time used it as a CRM. So ClickUp has many use cases. I mostly use it to manage projects. And ClickUp just got out with their 3.0 version and they asked me to review it. And I told them, of course, I would be happy to do it. So I'm gonna tell you the main things that I saw that are good improvements over the last version of ClickUp and that really added a lot of value to my work. So first and foremost, ClickUp is a robust foundation for all your project management tools and needs. There's so many types of integrations we can do here, and this has been available also at ClickUp 2.0. But let's talk about 3.0. First of all, it's a different design. It's a cleaner design, it's a cleaner look. And if you're thinking if you should move or not to ClickUp 3.0 from 2.0, you can check it out and you can easily return to the last version from here. So first things first, I just want you to see the main view over here. And if I go inside a specific task that I put here, you can see the differences in the comment section, in the SAP task, action items, and detail section. It's more compact and it looks cleaner, basically, I think. I haven't adjusted to it completely, to be honest with you, but it does seems promising because everything here is built with tabs, inside tabs, and it's easier to navigate this way. So this is the first thing you instantly see once you enter ClickUp. But there are a few more robust options you probably or maybe haven't noticed. So besides the elegant design that they added here, there's the 3.0 inbox. So if I go inside the inbox here, I used to have only simple inbox messages that I would answer and then just clear. But now you have more options here. You can set them as important, or you can see other tasks that you need to clear, maybe ClickBot things that happen. This is, it's actually, I need to remove it because the ClickBot does the work behind the scenes and I don't want to know about it, but if I want to, so there's this use case as well. I can snooze tasks. So people who live in their inbox, this is a very good option. It's like, think about it like your Gmail account when you do inbox zero, when you work on emails. So sometimes you want to snooze an email and answer it later. This is a good option for those of you who love to work from inside their inbox and notifications. And here you can see the cleared ones. So this is and you can also filter them. I don't think this was an option before. And there's extra settings here for the filter itself, for the notifications themselves. Let's check them out together. So I can have different watcher settings and smart notifications and a lot more options than I used to have in my notifications. I think this is an overkill, but I'm sure there's a few people that are gonna love the Inbox 3.0 with the revamped option. The next thing, which is amazing, is the universal search. So if I go into the search bar right here, I can connect apps. Let's click on it together, and I can connect Figma and GitHub, and I also already connected my Google Drive, Dropbox, and that way I can actually search for things that I have in my Google Drive. I'm not going to do it right now, but I can actually search for documents or Google Sheets or PowerPoint presentations, whatever I have in my Google Drive, I can search it straight from my ClickUp. So this basically means I need to click less on my keyboard and on my mouse. I can work faster. Anytime ClickUp saves me clicks, I love it. So every time I need to click less on things and my team needs to click less on things, we're more productive, we're working faster, and we're basically focusing on our work instead of feeding the system. The system works for us instead of us working for it, which is a problem a lot of times when you implement a project management or a CRM tool, and we definitely see it in our clients. The next thing they added is the customizable task types. So if I go in here into settings, you can see a new setting here. You see the task types. So when I enter here, there's two preset ones already, tasks, default, and milestones. I can add new different task types. I can add them in icon. Let's say I want a task types of meetings. Okay, so I have this is Hebrew. meeting and meetings, plural. And this is basically for meetings, so I don't need a description for it. So once I edit this and I go back to my tasks, I can actually change the task type from over here. Set task type, and then this could be a meeting. And this task type could be, let's say, something else. How about a milestone? Okay. So besides only changing the logo, you can see right here, you see, this is a milestone and this is a meeting. You can see it written in a small text above the onboarding. So when I change it, there's a lot of options to play around with right now. When in the old version of ClickUp in 2.0, I needed to add a custom field and call it task type or list type, whatever. And then I would put on a few types and then I can filter out statuses. Now, I usually use this for viewing options and filtering options. Here I can filter by task type. So let's say I have a personal assistant that only needs to work on the meetings. So I will filter out only the meetings, and then she can work specifically on the task needed to create the meeting. I also can add, of course, different views and filter out in the views themselves on a specific task type. It's very helpful. I haven't used it yet, but I'm sure I'm going to use it only because I already have a custom field that basically does the same thing. So I need to migrate all of the information to the new visions of task types. You can also, of course, filter them out in your dashboards. And basically, I think the best use case for me in those types of improvements are in the filters, in the views, maybe in the dashboards. But so far, so good. And it also helps visually when I have a small icon that shows a different logo for a different type of task. It's helpful. It's visually easier to look at tasks that way. And the last but not least is their home view. Now, their new home view has an agenda. You can connect your calendar here. You have your recent views. You can also line up your tasks here and tasks that are assigned to me, tasks with specific due dates, reminders, assigned comments, and my work, my today, overdue, next, and unscheduled. Now, as you can see, there's no data here because I usually used the dashboards for these types of things. So I have a dashboard, which I call my workspace. And here I manage my leads, the team. I also manage the clients, the task lists, and I can see everything from here. So I basically build out a simple yet very useful dashboard for my own personal needs. But the home one looks great and looks really, really promising and even cleaner than the one they had before. So I think I'm going to use it now. I think I'm gonna implement this new solution in the next week, maybe two. And that's it. That's the best improvements that I see in ClickUp 3.0. I hope this video was helpful for you guys, and I hope you will consider ClickUp as your project management or maybe CRM system. Thank you so much for watching this video. I hope this was helpful for you. If it was, please leave a comment. And most importantly, if you want to support us when you're signing up to ClickUp, if you want to try out ClickUp, you should sign up from our link down below. This will help us a lot, and this will show ClickUp that we have steered you in the right way to using their tool as their project management all-in-one system. So I wish you guys all the best. I wish you a lot of luck. And if you have any more questions, feel free to comment below, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye-bye.